Every year people panic when the 1099 shows up. Wrong form, wrong amount, or no form at all. Here's the truth. The form matters, but not for the reason people think. A 1099 is not a tax bill. It's an information report. It tells the IRS that someone paid you money. That's it. The IRS uses it to match what you report against what was reported about you. Missing that match is where the problem starts. Let's get this clear. 1099 NEC is reporting non-employee compensation, contractors' pay, self-employed income, and 1099 MISC, which is reporting miscellaneous income, tracks things like rent, prizes, or legal settlement. Different income types, different tracking buckets. The IRS treats these forms differently. 1099 NEC income is usually tied to self-employment tax. The 1099 miscellaneous income may or may not be. That distinction changes how the income is taxed, which schedules are required, whether self-employment tax apply. The 1099 NEC is a stronger audit trigger. Here's the biggest myth. No, 1099 means I don't report it. False. If you earn the money, you report the income. Even if you didn't get a form, and if it's paid in cash, and it came through an app, income is income. You report it. The IRS runs automated matching. They compare your 1099 form against your tax return. If your income shows up on the 1099 and not your tax return, that's a mismatch, and it's going to trigger notices. The systems flag first, and then the agent comes later. These get people in trouble. They ignore the 1099, they use the wrong form bucket, reporting gross amounts incorrectly, assuming expenses cancels reporting. Remember, expenses only reduce income, they don't cancel reporting. The IRS don't care which form caused the money, they care if you reported it, if you reported it correctly, and use the right schedule. Getting queued here creates paper trail you don't want. 1099s aren't punishment, they're for tracking. If you understand what the forms mean, they're nothing to panic about. If you want straight answers on tax, subscribe here. Next up, I'm going to work on TurboTax versus a CPA, who should file themselves and who absolutely should not.